pero may pinipilit na imulat. 5, 4, 3, 2, umartin na. 5, 4, 3, 2, action.
Ken! Dude! Umiinom ka naman eh.
Ano ka ba, Emmy? Shots lang to.
Shots? Di mo nga yung mukha mo. Lasing na lasing ka na. Shot ba yan?
Hindi ako lasing, no? Pampakalma lang to. Pampakalino. Kahit pansamantala lang.
Ganon. Tingnan mo nga yung itsura mo. Alam mo, sinabi ko na nga ba eh. Tinawag mo lang ako dito dahil meron ka na namang dramatic scene. Alam mo, Ken, sa lahat ng bote dito, ni isa dyan. Walang magtatanggal ng problema mo dyan. Uy!
Anong drama? Ano ka ba, Emmy? Nagsasawa ka na ba sa akin? Pwede ka naman naman. Sige na. Wala mo na ako.
Alam mo, ang labo mo rin eh. Pinapunta-punta mo ako dito tapos paaalisin mo din lang naman ako. Ken, ang sinasabi ko lang sa'yo, mo nga ng tayo. Di ba ang tsura mo? Lagi ka nang lasing. Oh, ano? Inuulit ko lang ha. Pare, wala dyan sa mga boteng yan yung solusyon dyan sa problema mo.
Wala na talaga. Wait. Mom and Dad, they finally decided to break up. So fucking unfair, pare. Napaka-selfish nila. Paano naman ako? Di ba? They only think of themselves.
Paano ka naman? O yan. Alcoholic. Alam mo, araw-arawin mo yung paglaklak mo. Sa mga beer na yan, sa mga alak na yan. And you'll end up a fucking loser just like your parents. Tuloy mo lang yan.
Wow. Wow. What a great friend you are. Ayos. Thank you for being such a friend. That shit talk is exactly what I needed.
Shit talk. Dude, look at you. You're already a shit to begin with. Tignan mo yan, no? All I'm saying here is that I just don't want you to fuck up your life.
I love them, my mom, my dad. Ito sa tingin ko sa kanya. They're my heroes, Emmy. I don't know what went wrong. I don't know sino sa kanila may mali. I don't want to blame any of them. I don't want to blame any
Ken.
of them.
Brother, hey, look at me, hey, calm down. Ken, look at me, listen to me. Okay, let's just stop this. Hey, look at me. You know, whatever the reason is of their separation, it's probably for the best of you. For all of you guys, for what's best for you. Okay?
What? Sinasabi mo? What's best for me? Ako pare? Para sa akin? Kaya ba sila maghihiwalay? Yung best para sa akin?
You know, Ken? Hey. Bro. Yes. Ken. Ken, are you okay? Ken. Miss. Ken. Ken. Hey. Ken. Ken. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ken. Ken, hoy, huwag ka magbiro na ganyan. Ken, miss. Miss. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ken, hey, stay with me! Stay with me! Stay with me, brother! Oh my God! Hello? Yung kaibigan ko na nag-iisa eh! He's having a seizure! Hello? Yeah, please, bilisan nyo na, please! Ken, bro! Brother. No, Ken. I can't be.
Hawak mo sa
Can I love you, brother? Can I love you so much like a brother? Oh,